Good morning to all. Sai Ram. Today we are going to take the grammar portion, and as we all know, only two chapters are left in the grammar. So today I am going to take the second last chapter of your English grammar book, that is conjunctions, right? So this is the chapter number 11. Sorry, this is chapter number 11, conjunctions of your English grammar book, right? So let's start the chapter. I hope you all have done the work which I have already discussed and sent to you in the group. So let's start the chapter conjunction today. Conjunctions are joining words. Conjunctions are the joining words before because they join two sentences. Okay? Conjunction means just to join two sentences, phrases or clauses. And, but, or, otherwise, since, unless, though, although, yet, else, etc. Again I am repeating. Conjunctions are joining words because they join two sentences, phrases or clauses, and, but, or, otherwise, since, unless, though, although, yet, else, etc. Okay, these are the words which are known as conjunctions. And conjunction are used to join the two sentences. Right? Yes, like we have Ram likes coffee. Raj likes tea. It means two people are here. One is Ram, another is Raj. Ram likes coffee and Raj likes tea. Okay, if I want to join both the sentences, I am going to use the conjunctions, right? So the word which I am using here is but. But is a conjunctions. Ram likes coffee, but Raj likes tea, right? Ram likes coffee, but Raj likes tea. Here, but is what? But is conjunctions, right? It is joining two different sentences together. Next we have, here the word but is joining two sentences. This word is called as joining word. Yes, it is also called conjunctions and it is also called joining words. For example, Anubhav and Anuj went to school. If I am telling Anuj went to school, Anubhav went to school. If I want to join both the sentences, I will use Anubhav and Anuj went to school. Both are going to school. I have used these two sentences into one by joining the word and. Okay? Like we have second one, I did not go to school today because I was sick. I did not go to school today because I was sick, right? So here are the two sentences that today I did not go to school today. I was sick today. So I have joined both the sentences using because. Okay? Yes. So but and because. Three words we have discussed now of conjunctions, and, but and because. Here the underlined words and because is called conjunctions because they act as joining words. They are joining the two sentences or two words. Okay. So and, but, because are the conjunctions. Yes. So here we have, there are many joining words, conjunctions. Let's look at the given table. Okay, the table is already given in your textbooks. Okay, we have here like the words is and, otherwise, though, else, else, since, since, where, till, but, since, although, so, because, before, if, or, unless, yet, as, therefore, while, and this is after. Okay, this is after last one. Okay, these the full table. This full table is known as conjunctions joining words. Okay, these are the words used as conjunctions, right? Yes. Some conjunctions come in groups like either, or, neither, nor, not only, but also. These are the conjunctions which comes in the groups. Okay. Neela was reading, full stop. Her brother was watching TV. So we had number one question that Neela was reading, full stop. Her brother was watching TV. Right. Here two things are there. So we have to join both the sentences using one joining word. So joining word are also known as conjunctions. So Neela was reading, but her brother was watching TV. Neela was reading, but her brother was watching TV. Next question we have. Do your work. Do your work, full stop. I will punish you. Do your work, I will punish you. Do your work or I will punish you. Do your work or I will punish you. So I have used the word or for joining two sentences. Take this medicine. Number 3 we have take this medicine, full stop, leave the rest to God. So we have to join the sentence. Take this medicine and leave the rest to God. Take this medicine and leave the rest to God. Fourth one we have. She is a kind mother, full stop. She is a kind mother, full stop. She is an affectionate mother. She is an affectionate mother. Right? So we have to join the two sentences. So what we will use? She is a kind and an affectionate mother. Okay. We are talking about the mother of she. Okay. She is used for any girl and we are not having her name. So we are talking about her only. So we will use and in the middle. Sit quiet, full stop. Leave the classroom, full stop. Sit quiet or leave the classroom. Your teacher is telling you in the class, either you sit quiet or leave the class. We are telling you some way, but we are not telling you. Okay, we are telling you that you pay the attention. So this is a sentence. You should focus on the sentence. So it is given, sit quiet or leave the classroom. Now we have the B part. Join the sentences by using otherwise, as, so, and because. You have to use otherwise, as, so, and because. So we have the first one, that is, you must do exercise daily, full stop. You will not keep fit. So, okay. So we have, you must do exercise daily, otherwise you will not keep fit. You must do exercise daily, otherwise you will not keep fit. Yes. It is raining heavily. It is raining heavily. We cannot go to school. It is, answer will be, it is raining heavily, so we cannot go to school. We are using here so. We cannot go to school. We don't have any option to go to school. Okay. Now we have the number 3. Hari is liked by all, full stop. He is sweet tempered. Hari is liked by all. He is sweet tempered. Yes, so we are using here Hari is liked by all as he is sweet tempered. Number 4 we have Rani was not there. Rani was not there. She spoke to her sister. I spoke to her sister. Full stop. So what we will write? Rani was not there, so I spoke to her sister. Yes, right? Rani was not there, so I spoke to her sister. Yes. Number C we have join each pair of sentences using though, although, yet, or still. Join each pair of sentences using though, although, yet, or still. Okay, you have to use these words, conjunction, joining words. She is poor, full stop, she is generous. She is poor, full stop, she is generous. Okay, tell me what will come. Yes, she is poor, full stop, she is generous. What will come? Though, although, yet, or still? Yes, right. What will come? Yes, she is poor, though she is generous. Raghu failed in examination, full stop. He did not work. Raghu failed in the examination because he did not work. Because he did not work, so he failed. Okay, that answer was yes, although. Its answer is she's poor, although she's generous. So what you can write? You can write also this also. Although she's poor, but she is generous. So you will write although she is poor, comma, she is generous. So you can write like this also. She is poor although she is generous. Okay, both are correct. Now moving to the next question we have. She is an honest woman, full stop. She is very poor. She is an honest woman, full stop. She is very poor. Though she is very poor, comma, she is an honest woman. Though she is very poor, comma, she is an honest woman. The rich man is not happy. He has a lot of wealth. The rich man is not happy. He has a lot of wealth. Although the rich man has a lot of wealth, comma, he is not happy. उसके पास सब कुछ है, but although he is not happy. Although the rich man has a lot of wealth, comma, he is not happy. Right? Yes. So next we have the teacher taught him well, full stop. He failed. The teacher taught him well, comma, yet he failed. Then also he failed. So this also follows on you. If you will not work hard, you are going to fail in the exam. So you all have to practice, give your best, right? Yes. So the teacher taught him well, comma, he failed, yet he failed. So now we have the fill in the blanks with suitable conjunctions. Okay? Fill in the blanks with suitable conjunctions, right? Yes, first one we have either mend your ways or leave the school. What will come? Or. Either mend your ways or leave the school. It is your choice, right? So number 2 we have make hay dash the sun shines. Make hay While the sun shines. While. While. Make hay while the sun shines. Raju will stand first in the class if he works hard. Right. Raju will stand first in the class if he works hard. Yes, if you will work hard, you will be first in the class. Number 4 we have, he is rich, dash, dishonest. Is dishonest. Yes, so what will come? But. B-U-T, but. He is rich but is dishonest. Number 5 we have, look, dash, you leave. Look before you leave. Right. Number 6 we have, we waited, dash, the train arrived. We waited till the train arrived. Okay. Yes, now moving to the next we have, play well. Play well, dash, leave the team. Play well or leave the team. Or will come. What will come? Or leave the team. Geeta will sing, dash, request her. Geeta will sing if we request her. Right. She heard the news, dash, began to sweep. She heard the news and began to weep. Right. My mother returned home, dash, her sister had left. My mother returned home before her sister had left. Before, what will come? Before her sister had left. Yes. 11 number is, she neither dances, what will come next? Nor sings. She neither dances nor sings. Right. Yes. So number 12 we have, either take it, dash, leave it or leave it. Either take it or leave it. Now moving to this part. Yes. So number 13 we have, as you sow, dash, shall you reap. What will come? Yes. What will come? So, shall you reap. Right. It is very hot, dash, we cannot go out. It is very hot, so we cannot go out. It is very hot. You can, I think, use something else also. It is very hot, so we cannot go out. It is also correct. To err is human, dash, to forgive is divine. To err is human and to forgive is divine. Right. Okay. Yes. So what are the conjunction words we have discussed? We have discussed so many conjunction words: and, but, because, while, before, after, since, although, before, if, unless, yet, as, therefore, while, after, though, else, since, where, till, and, if. So these are the these are the words, joining words or the conjunction we use to join two sentences, right? So again I am repeating, conjunctions are joining words because they join two sentences, phrases or clauses like and, but or otherwise, since, unless, though, although, yet, etc. Okay, these are the conjunctions. Okay, which we are using in our sentences to join both two sentences. Okay, so what you all have to do, complete the work given in the group and learn daily. Okay, you all have to practice daily whatever is being taught. Read the story, read the chapter twice, thrice. It is going to help you in your next class. Okay, so Sairam, we will meet in our next class very soon. Till then, keep on reading, keep on discussing, keep on asking your parents, keep on asking your if you are not getting anything. Okay, keep on reading, keep on reading. This habit will help you in your future. Okay, right. So Sairam, we'll meet in our next class. Till then, read the conjunction chapter very well.